Bet you didn't know this. Like and subscribe for more awesome science facts. Did you know there's a shrimp that can outsnap your fingers? Check this out. This little critter isn't just any shrimp. The pistol shrimp can snap its claws so fast it creates a tiny sonic boom. When it snaps, it shoots out a bubble at 60 miles per hour. That bubble pops and makes a sound louder than a gunshot. It's like underwater fireworks. But wait, there's more. The snap is so powerful it creates a flash of light and can even stun or kill small fish. This shrimp's claw is like a superhero weapon. Scientists are amazed by how nature's tiniest creatures have such incredible powers. So next time you think of shrimp, remember, some of them have a real bang. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and stay curious.